Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add Facebook page to Instagram or how to add an Instagram account to a Facebook page. So let's go to the page first, and you can see that you have to log into your Facebook page account, not your regular general Facebook account. You have to click on this top right corner and you'll find here your name and your Facebook page name. You have to click on that Facebook page name and then it will switch to your Facebook page account from a regular Facebook account. Then you have to click on additional professional dashboard. Click on this and scroll down till you find linked account. Click on this linked account and then you can see here Instagram. You have to click on view and then you have to connect account, the blue option, then connect, confirm. Now you can see that I have already a Facebook account. Now I'm gonna connect this, sorry, Instagram account. Just click on login as your name, or you have to log in with ID and password. Now click on continue. Here you can see that Instagram is connected. Click on done and you'll find your Instagram account here. Okay, so this is how you can connect an Instagram account to a Facebook page. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.